Hi everyone! We often get asked, can the ERPs like SAP, Oracle or Odoo handle barcode scanning? And the answer is absolutely yes. But there's a difference between can it work and does it work for your team and on your warehouse.
Hi, Sergey.
Hi Nadia. So today we will show you how operating from a desktop is not efficient for a modern warehouse.
Let's take a typical scenario. A new shipment just arrived. I have a purchase order ready here on my desktop.
This is where theory meets reality. The storekeeper has to find the right purchase order on a desktop, print it, and manually check off items. And what happens if something is missing or the quantity is wrong? So let's show you the Cleverence way. Everything I need is here on the Zebra MC34 device. This thing is made for real warehouse. It can handle an 8-foot drop. It's basically waterproof, and the screen is bright enough to see clearly on a sunny loading day. And with a new IntelliFocus scanner, it's instant. It doesn't matter whether the barcode is scratched, far away, or here in my hand. The Cleverence app pulls all the details from the ERP, so I know exactly what to expect. I can select the purchase order from the list, or just scan it from the paper document.
This is so important. We're connecting physical document in Sergey's hand directly to the digital record in the ERP instantly.
Now for the items. This one has a barcode, so I just scan it. But here's a classic problem: no barcode. Before, that meant a walk back to a desktop. But now, I just search by name or SKU in the app, and we want to fix this for the future. So I just print internal barcode on the mobile printer. Next time someone sees this, for picking, stock taking, or anything, it's ready to be scanned. We've just made our warehouse smarter. Now, everything is received and accounted for, so I just submit the results into the ERP.
And back in the office, I'm not in the dark. As soon as Sergey committed a document, the data syncs straight back to the ERP. I can see what's been received in real time. No waiting for paperwork.
On a real warehouse, connectivity is everything. MC34 has Wi-Fi 6 to cut through the network congestion. And with an optional 5G, you can work out in the yard far from any access point. But don't you worry, the Cleverence app can work offline and then sync back when there is a network.
Okay, receiving is just step one. In a well-run warehouse, you have a two-step process. Now we need to move these goods from the receiving dock to their final home.
The device is now my guide. No more guessing where things go. I can see the exact location of each item. To guarantee a perfect inventory, I'll do a simple loop. Scan the location, scan the item. Scan another location, scan the item. Done. Now the system knows the item is where it belongs.
And that update is instant. I can tell a customer with 100% confidence not only that we have the product, but that it's in aisle A, shelf 1, bin 3. That's the level of accuracy that transforms a business. Now for the fun part, getting an order to a happy customer. When a sales order is confirmed, the ERP creates the pick task for the warehouse.
And I get the pick list on my screen. On this device, the app is so responsive, no lag between the screens, so I don't have to wait. Here I do the same error-proof cycle. Scan the location, scan the item. Scan another location, scan the item. When everything is picked, it's time to pack. For orders with multiple items, this is where mistakes can happen. So, I'll take a box and I scan each item that goes into. 1, 2, 3, and this one with a serial number. Now I can print a picking list just for this box, which is a fantastic touch for the customer.
The final handoff, this needs to be seamless. And the moment he prints that label, the tracking number is saved back to the delivery order in ARP. The customer can be notified and the order is marked as shipped. No copy pasting, no manual entry.
So now our inventory is accurate, but how to keep it accurate? Manual stock takes are painful. They take lots of time, error-prone, and they shut down your operations.
With a mobile workflow, cycle counts become a simple routine task. From the ERP's inventory adjustments, I can launch a stock take for a specific zone.
And I get the task instantly. The app shows me the exact location to count. Here I do the same simple loop. Scan the location, scan item, enter count. And if I find something that isn't supposed to be here, the app tells me instantly.
And I see the results live. What used to take a whole weekend now takes a few hours with far greater accuracy. So we've gone from disconnected processes
To a single unified system where every physical movement is mirrored in our data in real time.
This is about giving your team the tools to be fast and accurate.
And giving you the confidence that your inventory numbers are always right.
Are you ready to bring this control to your warehouse? Visit our website today to get started.